Abunge o hamwe na maseneta mung'ethaniro meyumĩrĩtie gũkindĩra mũrũgamo wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio One Kenya wa gũtwarithia mĩrũrũngano na kũhinyĩrĩria thirikari ĩigue mateta ma Kenya.
We are here to confirm that the peaceful protests are planned for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday this week are on, as earlier declared by our leaders.
Atongoria aya ni maracukira thirikari kugeria guthoga mutaratara wao wa kugania irore iria irongoreirie kuruta wathani wa President Ruto guku makihita guthie na mbere na mihango yao thengia wa njama iria ciarĩirwo ni thirikari cia gutumura ngahiha na kumaigirira murigo uyu.
They are crying and saying, oh, this signature thing is going nowhere. But they are actively sabotaging the collection of signatures. We have had over 1,000 attacks on our website that is being used for collection of signatures. They have even cloned the website to try and, confuse our supporters.
For the first time in the history of this country, we are being made to understand that State House has sanctioned the enlisting of militia to attack peaceful demonstrators. For the first time, we are seeing leaders coming out openly to declare war against the people.
Wacha Ruto aelewe, asikie hakuna vitisho ambavyo kwamba atavitoa ili watu waweze kunyamaza na kuvumilia.
Ni mokereire atongoria aria maratuhuka mĩario ĩngĩtuthũra ngahiha bũrũri-inĩ na mĩkana ĩrĩa ĩrarutirwo mũtongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga.
We take great exceptions to the continued threats to life of our leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, as propagated by senior leaders of the Kenya Kwanza regime. There will be a price to pay for those threats.
Kuringana na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ona ikiugaga ni ya Mukenya wa gikiro gia thi ndironeka ire na mbica nginyaniru ya uria maundu mahinyiriirie ya Kenya na muno megie thogora wa muturire.
We said stop any conversation about anything else. Let us talk about food for our people. And that conversation will take place on Wednesday, on Thursday, and Friday.
In their view, the cost of living is not so high as to warrant protests. That is how a regime that has abandoned people's agenda thinks. And Kenya Kwanza is obviously one such regime. Because Kenya Kwanza does not seem to understand or know how hungry and angry Kenyans are.
Merete thirikari maundu ni mere marũmbũiye ya Kenya na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire na wakorwo matikũhota gwĩkagwo mehere wathani-inĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.